Hello everyone! I'm Mafinriv. Welcome to my channel. Today, magluluto na naman po ako sa inyo. Before that, I would like to thank to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and you learn something new sa aking mga cooking videos. Today, I will be making an easy, budget-friendly dumplings. At dahil super nag-crave po ako sa dumplings, I decided to make a homemade gyoza. Not only a classic gyoza, but this time gagawa po tayo ng Hanetsuki Gyoza or what we call a gyoza with wings. It is pretty much same as the classic one, but yung presentation is different. So, let's get started! I'm going to make a Hanetsuki Gyoza, or it's a gyoza with wings. It's a Japanese pan-fried dumplings. These are all ingredients, the fillings, the seasonings, and the dipping sauce. For the ingredients, we have it's a gyoza wrapper or the wheat cake wrapper, and we have a 1/2 cup of water, and then we have a 1 tablespoon of flour and canola oil, 1 tablespoon of canola oil. So later, we have to mix the water and then the flour for the crunchy textures of the gyoza wings. For the fillings, we have 200 grams of lean ground pork and the cabbage, the lira, the garlic, and also the ginger. For the garlic, we can use 1 or 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. For the seasoning, we have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, the sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sake, it's a Japanese sake, and some sprinkle of salt and pepper. For the dipping sauce, we have a Japanese vinegar and then the soy sauce and also the layu. This layu is a Japanese chili sauce. It's very spicy, but it's good. So these are all ingredients. So guys, let's begin our cooking by cutting the cabbage. So we have to slice into small pieces. Mas maganda kung mas marami pong gulay. Then next is tanggalin po natin yung gulo. Kuhain lang po natin yung lira into small pieces like dun sa cabbage. So, imimix natin siya. This is our fillings together with the lean ground meat. And next is the garlic and also the ginger. Pwede po nating hiwain. Kailangan po nating hugasan. Then next po, hiwain natin yung garlic. Next is grate the ginger. After natin hiwain yung cabbage, lira, the ginger, and the garlic, so combine natin sa ground pork. So first, the cabbage and then the then next, combine din natin yung garlic. Put the garlic and also the ginger. Then, let's mix it. Tastes good. Looks good. So, after natin gawin yung fillings, we have to add the seasonings. So, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then, 1 teaspoon of sake. we have to sprinkle some salt. And the ground pepper. After this, haluin lang po natin para yung seasonings is kumalat at maging malasa. It's become more flavorful. Ta-da! We have a filling. So, let's start to put in a gyoza wrapper. Then later, we will cook it. So, after natin gawin yung ating fillings, ilalagay na natin sa gyoza wrapper. This is the gyoza wrapper. But before that, we have to mix the water and then the flour together para sa ating gyoza wings. Para maging crunchy yung textures ng wings natin. So, let's combine this, the flour and then the water. So, yung water nyo, dapat it's normal lang. Para hindi siya magbuo-buo. So, this one. We will use this sa ating gyoza wings to make it crispier. Our next step, gagawa na po tayo ng gyoza. Then, this is the wheat cake wrapper, is the gyoza wrapper. Per pack nito has 24 pieces. And I bought this wrapper from a Japanese grocery in Makati. We have to open this. So first, we have to take a wrapper. So, this is the wrapper. Ooh. So we have to get some of this para sa pandikit sa around the wrapper. So let's begin. Take a wrapper, put on the palm, then take a small amount of filling, then put on the center, then put some water around the wrapper, then fold it. So, like this. So we have to fold it like this. So I have first gyoza. Look. Yes. Then put on the center. Put some water around the wrapper. So guys, I'm done for wrapping. And then next is frying. So this is my gyoza. Lots of gyoza. So guys, after nating i-wrap yung filling, so next step is to fry. So these are all my gyoza. Yummy! I'm excited to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon canola oil in a frying pan over medium to medium high heat. Maglalagay po tayo ng gyoza in a pan. Let's put some water for steaming. Guys, let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes until it dry. So what shall I do? I have to dance while waiting? Check if it's dry, then if the bottom is already golden brown. So, okay. I think it's enough. So next, we have to put our mixtures of water and flour para sa ating crispy wings. Alright. Let's put some then cover it again. So guys, let's wait for another 2 minutes for the crispy wings. So let's start here. 1, 2 minutes. It's the 2 minutes. Start. So guys, let me check this. Oh, it's too crispy. Wow, it's good. Oh, look. It's the wings, gyoza with wings. So let me put here. Wow. But it's okay. Oh. Yeah. It's crispy. Let me show you my crispy gyoza. Oops. So this is it. This is the Hanetsuki Gyoza or the gyoza with wings. For the dipping sauce, let's have 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. It's a Japanese vinegar. And also, the Japanese live chili sauce. It's a Japanese chili sauce. So let's put some So, this is the dipping sauce for the gyoza. So guys, this is Hanetsuki Gyoza. It's a Japanese dumplings. So, let's eat! Itadakimasu! Thank you so much guys for watching! If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. At sa hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit the bell. See you again next time! Only here on Mafinriv's Kitchen. Happy cooking! Bye!